If you no longer need a portal, you can archive it by clicking on the Archive button, located next to the Actions button here. Once you click this, your portal is moved to the archived area. If you ever need to restore it, you can do so by changing your screen from active to archived here. Then just click on the Restore button located to the right-hand side of your portal. Once restored, switch your screen from archived back to active. The same principle applies to archiving and restoring induction courses. On the next help page, we'll talk about sign in and out functionality. Thanks for watching and happy inducting.